welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. As you guys can see in the title, today we're going to be making some disinfectant spray. I feel like this is very relevant to everyone's lives right now. All the items in this video were bought from Walmart and the Dollar Tree, or actually these are just items that you should be able to find around your house. Hopefully you guys have these products already in your house. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I usually do DIY videos, and also turn on the notifications because I post frequently. I say weekly, but I don't really have a time frame. As stated in the title, this solution that we're gonna make came straight from the CDC website. So if you guys need to refer back to the CDC website just to ensure that my measurements are correct in this video, feel free to do so. And also, please ensure that your bleach is not expired because it won't be effective if it is. For our first solution, which is the bleach solution, you will need 5 tablespoons or a 1/3 cup of bleach per gallon of water. Or if you wanted to make a smaller solution, you can use 4 teaspoons of bleach per quart of water. Like I stated before, make sure your bleach is not expired because it will not be effective if it is. And before disinfecting these areas or any spaces that you feel the need to disinfect, make sure you clean them first by using just some soap and water. Also, be sure to never mix household bleach with ammonia or any other kinds of cleansers. I know this is a crazy time in the world, but don't go too crazy because that's dangerous and you're breathing right now, and we want that to continue. And just to give you an idea of what you should be disinfecting frequently, actually, it should be a lot of surfaces that you touch frequently, like doorknobs, faucets, handles, tables, sinks, light switches, etc. I honestly already had this solution. I may not have had the exact proportions in this solution, but I already had this solution around my house, so this bottle was already being used. I know you guys have water, but I hope you have bleach accessible so that you can make it as well and keep it around your house as well. This next solution we're making is an alcohol solution. I would suggest using this solution, of course, for surfaces that can't be bleached, like the couch or rug. The CDC also suggests to use 70 to 100% alcohol. So yeah, you guys may have these ingredients already around your house, but make sure they're not expired, or make sure the percentage is correct, because if these things are off, according to the CDC, they will not be effective. For this alcohol solution, you'll need 1 cup of 70 to 100% alcohol, as well as 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, along with 10 drops of essential oil, which is actually optional. I decided to put some in there just because I know that hydrogen peroxide and alcohol have strong scents. A very important tip for this solution is the fact that you should actually use a tinted or just a blackened bottle, because if you don't, the hydrogen peroxide won't break down, and that's another reason for it to not be effective. If you can't find a dark bottle or a blackened bottle, just do what I did and use duct tape and tape your bottle up after adding the solution. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe.